So this is the larger time frame chart for XLM, and it often gets compared to XRP because there are some commonalities, some similarities, but there are also some differences. I mean, for example, in this rally from the August low or July low last year, I mean, XRP just moved up stronger, way stronger. But XLM is catching up. Yeah, it's catching up. And there are bullish pathways here on our long-term chart. My view is we should enter that blue box, $1.06, maybe even $2.22, because if this was maybe a rally, I don't know, in an A wave maybe, then this here could be an A wave down, A, B, and then the C wave as a diagonal, and then we go lower. So A, B, C. Yeah. So as long as support levels are holding, there's a good chance of getting there. The risk is that we are still in some kind of a triangle here, obviously. Yeah. So this is possible. We might be still caught in a triangle, but that would be massive. So if this was still some kind of a wave 4 triangle, it would be massive. Technically, that's possible. But yeah, we seem to be on our way to at least try an upside breakout. So we've got this trend line that we can watch here at around 61 cents. Then here around 80 cents, there's the next, let's say, resistance level or breakout point, and then $1.06 and $2.22. So has XLM a chance to grind higher for a 2x, 3x, 4x? I think so. But it's with this chart, because we're still caught in a range, important to understand what the relevant micro support levels are. So if we go to the shorter time frame, then the current support that I'm tracking here is 34 cents. So as long as we're holding that, we should be able to move higher. How exactly that's going to be subdivided, we will have to see. But for now, the 34-cent level is key support. And even in this direct move to the upside, we could go higher. I mean, there's a pattern here. I don't really have a clear setup right now because we are too far away from support levels. But I'm watching here a micro triangle, for example. If we go lower, then this is the support area from where an upside, let's say upside continuation could unfold. But yeah, I think XLM has still some upside because this move up here is likely going to be an ABC structure, so circle wave 5. That's why I've got ABC there on the smaller time frame. At least I find that quite probable that it's going to do it like that. So 3 waves in A, then we get a B wave pullback, and then a C wave up.